at me.
Do it again. We're rolling. Jared, say hi again.
Don't put that on YouTube.
Why?
Because I said
I was going to.
don't.
It's going on YouTube.
No, it's not.
Did Jared hang up?
No.
Can't wait.
Woo!
Nice umbrella, Tommy. What kind of umbrella is that? What is that?
It's a fish.
Cool. Oh my god. Who is that?
I don't know, but
I feel like I know him though.
I think it's Eric.
Oh, Eric Roach. Or whatever.
Roach.
Roachy?
Roach.
I don't know. It's something like that. Roche, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Bye.